Normal A. Okay. Oh, God. It's got the shell on it.
The juice is the best part.
Oh my God. Yes.
Yeah.
You're gonna guess it tastes salty.
No, and then you just
I don't know, man.
Do you want to pry open the head?
Okay, you do. Let's just see what you know your hands in the list.
Okay, it's all curled up, okay, like all of this once.
I don't think I had a beak once.
Yeah. Oh, this one's a small one. Look at that. Okay.
Oh my God, it looks like a duck. Okay, yeah, it's definitely a chicken. What? The head has fur on it. Or feathers.
Feathers.
Okay. Oh wow. Can you see it? Kind of, yeah.
You want to eat it?
Okay.
Good luck. Good luck.
Gotta try it. You gotta try things at least once.
Yeah.
Or twice. You're gonna Snapchat it?
Yeah.
Hold on.
So, don't smell it. Just put it. Honestly, it doesn't taste bad at all.
Okay.
Just eat the yellow part is easier to eat. Just eat the head and like the wing and like everything.
I'm just thinking about the eyeballs.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna need to be brave for the Snapchat because I gotta have to do it fast. So you tell me when you do it.
Do you want a drink on hand?
No.
No. Okay. Just chew it so you can get the feel of it, the texture of it, and then swallow it.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me a countdown for that.
Okay. Go. Just go. Eat it. No, don't. Okay. Just see. It's not bad, right? Eat the mitt. Grab the mitt. No? No? Think of it as... We haven't swallowed it? It's crawling in there now.
It doesn't taste bad. It
doesn't taste like anything. You just the thought of eating...
Yeah, it's definitely the thought.
A potential KFC.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, the yellow part is not bad. It's just...
God, it has big. Wait, hold on.
Okay, that's not bad. That's just like... I don't know what that is. If that was human, I don't know what it would be.
You have the rest.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Okay, I'll get you Pepsi.
No, I need something else. I'll get something. Okay, bye.